Welcome to Research Hub. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use custom GPTs through the My Thesis GPT website to create academic content efficiently. This platform can help you write research papers, examinations, dissertations, seminar papers, term papers, review articles, and many other forms of academic writing. We are continuously adding more custom GPT templates, including tools specifically designed for seminar papers, term papers, review papers, and similar academic documents. However, for today's demonstration, I will focus directly on research paper writing. This tool is not limited to writing alone. You can also use it for research assistance, data analysis, humanization of content, and several other academic tasks. So, let's proceed. Once you click the option, it redirects you to the platform's main interface. As you can see, the system operates directly within ChatGPT. Many people ask why ChatGPT is being used. This is because users are already familiar with it. Essentially, this is our application embedded inside ChatGPT. After clicking Start, the system first displays some introductory instructions. Everything from this point onward is automated. The citations and references are properly generated, though you should always double-check the links. Occasionally, a link may not open correctly, but in many institutions, including the link itself is not mandatory. With the free trial, you can write Chapter 1 only. However, if you want to generate all chapters at once, you'll need full access. At this point, next, the system asks for 6 key research details: research topic, case study if applicable, target population, data analysis method, type of study, qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, and referencing style. Once you provide this information, that's essentially all you need to do. The system automatically begins writing the research paper. Now it asks where to start in Chapter 1, whether from the introduction or background of the study. I choose Introduction. As you can see, the system immediately starts generating Chapter 1. This tool has been actively used for over 3 years, and it supports BSc, MSc, and PhD level research. Once the introduction is complete, it asks if I want to continue to the background of the study. I select Next, and it instantly generates that section, complete with in-text citations and references. From here, the system continues asking whether to proceed to the statement of the problem, objectives, research questions, and so on. Each time you select Next, it continues writing. This means you can realistically complete an entire research project in a single day. However, one important recommendation: for data analysis, I strongly advise using the dedicated data analysis module separately. This component was built using Python and integrated into ChatGPT, and it functions similarly to SPSS, providing reliable analytical results. That's essentially how the system works: fast, structured, and academically aligned. By subscribing, your research paper will become more professional, and your supervisor will be more likely to approve it.